My name's Jim Bowen. I'm the head of school at Rea Church of England Primary School, which is where we are today. I was a PGCE student at the University of Cumbria 7 years ago, and it's something that had always been at the back of my mind, but I'd never had the bravery to take the plunge, as it were, and then just decided the way my life was going and opportunities arose for me to take the plunge into teaching. Working with the children is the highlight. You can get really bogged down, especially as a head of school, in the paperwork and all the other bits, but it's the children. When a child stops you in the corridor, they come to show you their work, just make it all worthwhile. I feel students should get experience at school before they start the course, just so they realise what the job entails and what it means to be working with the children and what the expectations are within a school. Certainly from my personal perspective and experience, you don't truly grasp the intricacies of the job and how far wide-ranging it is until you've actually been in there and actually been in the trenches, as it were, with it all and got that snapshot of life at a school.